Dreaming of studying at India's top B school IIM Ahmedabad with its rigorous selection process and high competition to get a seat in IIM Ahmedabad is no easy feat. But do not worry. In this video, we will break down entire admission process, cutoffs, eligibility criteria and key strategy to secure your seat at IIM Ahmedabad. So stay tuned. IIM Ahmedabad is India's most prestigious B school, ranked number 1 by NIRF and globally recognized. It offers MBA PGP program. It also offers world-class faculty and strong alumni network. Exceptional placement record. According to 2023 data, its average package is 35 lakhs. It also gives you case study based learning. Also, it has strong industry connection. But before you apply, let us understand its admission process. To apply for IIM's PGP MBA program, you must meet these criteria. Number 1, graduation with at least 50% marks, and it is 45% for SC, ST and PWD candidate. Must appear for CAT. Score high. And we will discuss cutoffs later in this video. Third, work experience. Optional but preferred and not mandatory. 1 to 3 years industry experience helps in selection. Finally, a student can also apply provided they can submit proof of graduation later. IIM's shortlisted candidate according to CAT score given here. You can check individual cutoff, sectional wise cutoff, VARC, LRDI and Quant and overall cutoff for general, OBC, SC and ST. याद रखिए केवल CAT स्कोर के बेसिस पर it doesn't guarantee a call. IIMA also consider academics, 10th, 12th graduation marks. It also consider experience and diversity, gender and academic background. IIM's selection process has 3 key stages. Stage 1, shortlisted for AWT and PI. Based on CAT score, work experience, academic and diversity, shortlisted candidates get an email for AWT analytic writing test and PI personal interview. Stage 2, AWT analytic writing test and PI. AWT is a 20-minute essay writing on a given topic, for example, current topic or business ethics. PI, 15 to 20-minute interview assessing personality, academics and career goals. Stage 3, final merit list. IIM Ahmedabad final merit list based on the CAT score, इसके 40%, personal interview 30%, AWT 10% and academic diversity work experience का 20% लेकर they prepare a final merit list. Final calls are made based on this score. Want to maximize your chance? Follow these tips. Aim for 99.5 plus percentile in overall CAT score. Focus on great sectional scores. Maintain a strong academic profile. 90 plus percentile in 10th and 12th helps. Work on communication skills. Crucial for AWT and PI. Prepare well for PI. Be ready for questions on your academics, current affairs and career goals. Remember, IIM Ahmedabad CAT स्कोर का 40% लेता है और PI का 30%. तो अगर आपका CAT स्कोर का 40% है, PI का 30%, तो आपको PI का अभी से इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए, अपनी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी करनी चाहिए. बी रेडी फॉर दीज टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. हाईलाइट लीडरशिप एंड एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर. IIM a valued, well-rounded candidate. And the most important tip, mock test, personal interview and AWT practice are must. IIM's MBA program cost 20 to 23 lakhs for 2 years, but do not worry, they offer need-based scholarship, education loans, it is easy approved, and also merit-based aid. Check IIM's website for updated fee structure. Getting into IIM Ahmedabad is tough, but with the right approach and right strategy, it is achievable. Start preparing early, ace your CAT, polish your communication skills. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and comment below which IIM is your dream B school. See you in the next video.